Hello YouTubers, this is Adam Carter, and we are now live in this, we're in Waterloo Lake, and we found this brand new federal signal 2001-30 that was installed in Denison, Texas. Yep, there's one right there. Yep, that's it. This is the one's already installed. And the other pole right there, I think this used to be the other pole or something. I mean, the other siren speak some kind of electronic siren where it is. But yeah. I think this one's about to be removed or something. I don't know. But yeah, there he is. New 2001-30 was installed. Let's check out the boxes to it. Yeah, brand new. There's a local federal signal. Yeah, there he is. Let's look at the other side. Yeah, federal signal. Yeah, that's it. 2001-30. I think this used to be the other siren pole right there, but I can't remember where it is now. But yeah, that's it. Any questions? Comment below. Oh, and me. Alright, that's it. Any questions? Comment below. Enjoy this thing. Goodbye, buddy.